Also, from time to time, Patrick will ask me, Martha, could you please help me fix my Power BI report so it looks branded as GuineCube? And the one thing that I just do again and again and again is to send him the JSON file of our GuineCube report theme. That is why today I want to talk to you guys about this new preview feature, which is organizational themes. So that is a way to centrally manage and make your Power BI themes accessible to all your report developers from this one place where we don't have to share these files through, I don't know, SharePoints and emails and all this stuff. So, you know what we like to do at GuineCube? Enough of all this talking, let's just head over to my laptop. So let's say that this is the report that we want to brand as a GuineCube report. And obviously I could go into view here, take a look at the themes, play around with this specifically, or browse for a theme that I want to pull up. Okay, cool. So it already looks better and that's nice. But now the cool thing that I can do instead is that I can go into our admin portal inside of Fabric or Power BI. And if I go to organizational themes here, open this one up, you see that now it's possible to add a organizational theme. So we're going to add that JSON file that I just uploaded locally to that Power BI report. We're going to add it here instead. So let's browse for that file. This one right here, we're going to open that one up. This is the GuineCube theme. We should give it a great description, of course. And then also there's something cool here. You see that we have Copilot as a toggle that we could enable. And that is, do we want the default theme of Copilot to be this GuineCube theme? So now we can also brand our Copilot generated reports. So I want to do that. I'm going to hit enable here and add. And one thing to be aware of is that when you are enabling this, by default, the theme itself is going to be disabled. So you have to actively enable it. And you do that by clicking the ellipsis here and hit enable for a theme gallery. And you see that now it's enabled. So if we now go back to our Power BI desktop file, I didn't even have to open it up again. Did you see? Just poof, now it appeared. So, okay, let's choose the default theme again. And if I now click on my organizational theme, hover over, you see that's now the GuineCube theme. Click on that one and boom, it's branded. Yay! Okay, so that was in Power BI Desktop, but you could do this inside of Power BI Service as well. Okay, so inside my workspace here, I have an executive dashboard that I have created, but as you can see, it's not Power BI branded at all. So what I can do is that I can take advantage of the organizational themes here as well. And I do that by editing and clicking view and then go to theme. And here you see also organizational themes. That is the GuineCube theme. I'm going to click that one and boom, ta-da! And for some reason, the transparency here is different from what I have in my default one. But if I reset to default, that's going to be fixed. Just a little heads up there. But what about the Copilot theme? What will that look like if we have Copilot generate a report using our GuineCube theme? Let's go back to the workspace. And I have this sales analytics semantic model and I want to create a report on top of this. But I want to do that with Copilot. So let's just click create report here. Now we see that we have a blank report and open up Copilot. So let's see what it can do. Let's have it suggest some content for us for this new report page that we want to create. Create a sales performance versus targets report. Let's just create that one and see what it comes up with. Woohoo! Okay, look at that. I mean, it did as well as, you know, Copilot does on the first try, but it is looking already a bit more like a GuineCube report, and it's then easier for me to make some changes to have it be exactly what I want it to be. And also here, for whatever reason, the transparency is not 0, but if I remove that like that, ta-da! Okay, now we also have a branded GuineCube report, but it was created by Copilot. Oh, and also a heads up, if you do this and have Copilot create your reports with your organizational theme, but you're missing the Copilot theme for some reason, then you can go into the themes here and use the default Copilot theme. That easy. What do you guys think? Do you like organizational themes? Is this something you are gonna test out? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you like this type of videos where we're looking at the visualizations, you need to hit that subscribe button and like this video so that we can create more of this. Thank you so much for watching. I am excited to see you guys in the next video. Bye.